Hi, wellness friends. It's Julie here, your essential oil advocate and country living grandma, sharing one of the most powerful ways to create lasting wellness by starting your day clean, calm, and clear. Today, I'm going to walk you through some quick toxin-free swaps you can make to your morning routine. These are simple upgrades that doesn't take extra time, but they do support your energy, immune system, hormones, and mood, all before 9 a.m. We're exposed to hundreds of chemicals before we even pour our second cup of coffee, from synthetic soaps and deodorants to heavily fragranced shampoos, perfumes, and processed breakfast foods. Now, these daily exposures increase our toxic load, especially over time. But when you swap out common culprits for clean alternatives, your body gets to spend less time detoxing and more time thriving. And here's the best part, these swaps are simple and budget friendly, and many include essential oils you may already have at home. So let's go through your morning routine from the top, and I'll show you where you can make quick, impactful swaps. Swap number one, toothpaste. Replace your synthetic fluoride-filled paste with a natural option you can find at many of your nutrition stores or natural grocery stores. Now, doTERRA does have one that I love. It's the On Guard toothpaste. It's free from harsh chemicals and full of immune-boosting oils. A bonus tip, add a drop of peppermint or clove oil to your floss for an extra clean mouth. Now, swap number two, ditch aluminum and fragrance-heavy deodorants. Now, read the labels of your deodorants or just scan it with the Bobby Approved app to make sure it's pure and safe. Since I garden and work outside in the heat on my farm, I also use a roller bottle of tea tree oil just before applying my non-toxic deodorant. It's just for added support. Or make your own with coconut oil, baking soda, and a few drops of tea tree and lavender. Swap number three, body wash and lotion. Many store-bought body care products contain hormone-disrupting parabens and phthalates. Try making your own body wash with Castile soap, water, and essential oils like wild orange and vanilla or lavender and frankincense. Now, I have a great dry skin lotion that I absolutely love. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in a video on it, and I'll be happy to make a video and share that recipe. And number four, perfume. Instead of synthetic fragrances, create a natural perfume roller. Try 5 drops bergamot, 5 drops ylang-ylang, and 3 drops vanilla in a roller bottle with a carrier oil. It's a fresh, feminine, and uplifting. Swap number 5, the morning energy boost. Swap out sugary coffee drinks for warm lemon water with 1 drop of lemon essential oil in a glass. It supports your liver and digestive system and gives you a natural morning glow. And you can still enjoy your coffee, just swap out the sugary creamers. True confession for me, I don't use a creamer, I use butter. Now, if you haven't tried your coffee with butter, you'll wonder how your life was complete before. Trust me. Now, beyond product swaps, how you begin your day sets the tone for your energy and mindset. Here are a few habits I recommend pairing with your oils. Tip number 1, a diffuser ritual. Add peppermint plus wild orange or lemon plus rosemary to your morning diffuser to feel awake, motivated, and focused. Tip number 2, gratitude or intentions. While your diffuser runs, write down 3 things you're grateful for and a few goals for the day. Now, on the goal part, I've heard this is called slaying the dragon today. I need to accomplish these 3 tasks and I will slay the dragon. It kind of makes me feel invincible. Apply balance or peace blend to 2 wrists while journaling for grounding energy. And then tip number 3, stretch or breathwork. Try a 5-minute stretch or breathwork session with frankincense or adaptive in your palms. Inhale deeply and set a positive tone for your day. Okay, beautiful friend, here's your challenge this week. Choose one swap from your morning routine and make it toxin-free. Whether it's your toothpaste, deodorant, or even just adding lemon oil to your water, you're signaling to your body that your health is worth it. Let me know in the comments what you're swapping out this week. I'd love to cheer you on and offer more tips if you need them. Now, if you're loving this Back to Routine series, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps to build my channel. And also, so you don't miss what's coming up next. And don't forget to grab my free Morning Routine Reset PDF, which includes my favorite products, my diffuser recipes, and a printable routine checklist to help you ease into the clean mornings with confidence. You'll find the link below. Thanks for spending your time with me. Let's start the day clean, clear, and confident. See you in the next video.